Deep in the archives, we recovered this damaged artifact from Vault 33. The text was faded, the contrast was gone, and the audio file was degraded. But today, we are going to fix it. We are digitally remastering the entire build sequence. Our first priority was sharpening the contrast of the original laser pecker burn, ensuring the intricate serifs of the text and the center 33 gear are absolutely crisp. Next, we overhauled the color grading. We've dialed up the saturation to achieve a pure, deep purple hue, mimicking the signature lighting of the Vault Diagnostics Bay. You can see the difference immediately. Refined line work, clearer audio, and balanced color. The final step was applying our signature cleaning stamp, sealing this artifact for the next generation of overseers. And there it is, a flawless recovery. The original video was good, but this one is Wasteland ready. Let me know which version you prefer in the comments. Test your Vault knowledge on the quiz, and subscribe. Safe travels.